Here I have XIAOMI Mi 8 and let me show you how to set a wallpaper on the following device. At the very beginning, select the settings, then scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. And here just pick the picture that you would like to cover your desktop with. So let me pick, for example, this one. Tap Apply. And finally decide if you would like this picture to cover just your lock screen, your home screen, or both of them. I will pick the third option. The device is setting brand new wallpaper and it's already applied. So both your home screen and your lock screen is set up with a new wallpaper. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.